All right, guys, welcome to week 6, the Texas Revolution. This week, I'm going to kind of make it an easier week. A lot of you guys have been doing awesome. You've been turning the assignments in on time every week. You've been being consistent. You're working hard. So I'm going to kind of reward you guys a little bit this week. And we're only going to have one assignment, and it should be pretty simple. So let's kind of look at it here a little bit. I don't know if I can even click on it. There we go. Okay. So, like I said, pretty simple this week. The question is, what information did you learn or find interesting? So it's an opinion question, right? You can almost literally write down anything and get the 20 points as long as it's 100 words minimum and it's on time. Okay, so remember, these assignments are due 11:59 on Sunday, not 8 o'clock Monday. Some of you guys are turning assignments 13, 11, 10, 9 days late. Do not do that, guys. Get it in on time. It's not that hard. It's a couple assignments a week. All right, but I am going to make this 20 points. So you still get rewarded like it's 2 assignments. So it's kind of the same amount of points on the line as a normal week. But again, the information we're looking at this week is all about the Texas independence movement. So I have a couple articles here. One is just kind of giving you guys a brief overview of the independence movement in Texas. And remember now, we can't talk about the Texas Revolution without talking about the Battle of the Alamo. Remember the Alamo, okay? The biggest, I would say, topic or the biggest event that takes place during the Texas Revolution. So read the 2 articles. They're pretty short. And then I just kind of threw in a crash course video that spends about half the time talking about the Texas Revolution in the Alamo. All right. So that's this week, guys. If you're all caught up, hopefully this is a nice little break for you, kind of an easier week. And if you are behind, hopefully this gives you a chance to get other assignments done and turned in on Google Classroom. So that's the week, guys. If you're watching this sooner, don't worry. These assignments are not due until Sunday, May 10th at 11:59 p.m. So do not sweat it if you're kind of checking this video out a little bit earlier. All right, guys, stay safe as always. Hopefully you guys are having fun, coping with the boredom in your own way, being productive, and just generally just having making the best of a bad situation. All right, guys, talk to you next week.